Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Kawasaki Concours 14 with ABS. This is the same bike the CHP use. You can ride this thing all day, 150 plus horsepower. This sport touring, 4-cylinder, liquid cooled, fuel injected, 1441 cc's, comes standard with locking, removable side cases, shaft drive, so no chain to mess with. This is the ultimate badass sport touring machine. It's got some nice upgrades, including tank pads, so you can grip the tank with your knees, and 2-inch bar risers. Custom made for this bike. Very comfortable. Only 5,100 miles. Come by, check it out. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. '13 Kawasaki Concours 14 ABS. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.